Hi everyone, I am Aria Grace Pacquiao from 4B Psychology. I'll be sharing my experiences during my industrial internship at Brown Bus by Clara Alegria, including my evaluations, SWOT analysis, insights, recommendations, and my personal reflection. My experience at Brown Bus was positive. One thing I really like is the work environment. It's modern, organized, and comfortable, which makes it easier to stay productive. The company also supports interns with allowances and small perks. I also gained a lot of hands on experience. I was involved in content creation, admin work, marketing tasks, and meetings. It really helped me see how things actually work in business setting and how psychology can be applied in marketing, especially in understanding behavior and communication. Of course, it wasn't perfect. There were times when tasks went beyond what was expected from interns, which got a bit confusing. Communication, especially from leadership, could feel a bit too direct sometimes, and there were also some delays in schedules and allowances, so you really had to adjust and be flexible. So overall, strong environment and learning experience, but with a few areas that could still be improved. For me, the main improvement should focus on being more clear and consistent. Clearer task boundaries would help interns understand what's expected from them. Better communication, like giving instructions in a more balanced way, would make the environment less stressful. And having more consistent schedules and allowance release would make easier to manage. These are small changes, but they would really improve the overall experience. This internship also helped me understand how companies actually operate, especially in marketing. I was able to apply what I learned in psychology, like motivation, behavior, and communication. I also improved my time management, adaptability, and how I handle responsibilities. It really helped me prepare for more professional work environment. Honestly, I felt more comfortable in this setting compared to a clinical. Since I already have experience in admin and HR, this kind of work felt more natural to me. I like that things were more structured and goal oriented, and I could see the results of what I was doing. There were still challenges though, like unclear expectations and some pressure at times, but they were manageable. I was able to adjust and still do my work properly. This experience made me realize that I prefer working in an organized environments where systems are clear and everything runs smoothly. It also confirmed that I am more interested in admin or HR or corporate roles rather than clinical work. Overall, I would say my experience at Brand was by Clara Alegria was worth it, and I would recommend it to future interns, especially if they want real hands on experience in a corporate setting. But at the same time, it's not for everyone. You really need to be adaptable and ready for a fast paced environment. For me, it helped confirm what kind of environment I want and what I don't. Thank you.